What's up? Rise and shine, putos. What's good? Buenos dias. I think that means good morning. I don't know. I'm headed to Ace Hardware to pick up some bolts for my throttle body because I guess for today's daily quarantine upload, we're just going to do whatever we can in the span of 10 hours. Because it's 10 o'clock and I'm going to start editing this around like 7 or 8 or blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, we'll see what we can get all done crack-a-lacking today. I'm turning this AC because it's hot. But, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm also going to paint my windshield cowl because that thing is clapped. Oh, Jesus, I can't even see myself. I look like you. Kidding. But that is all what's going on right now. It's 10:43 in the morning, Wednesday, March 25th. I haven't been up this early since God knows how long because all I do is just stay up to 5 a.m. and wake up at 12, maybe 1 if I'm feeling lucky that day. So I'm up early. I pledge allegiance to the bag. That's it. You feel me? Got the thread locker, got the bolts, got the throttle body, got the trim black paint we're gonna be painting today. We're ready to roll, son. We ready to roll, B. I think I just did something. So I'm at the local racetrack. Know what I mean? I usually come like once a day. Well, yeah, like once a day. I get like a big, a cup or whatever. Bro, I put that blueberry, pomegranate, acai, vitamin water with that Powerade blue raspberry, whatever the hell it's called. Bro, this is busting. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. Focus, there we go. I'm using this to paint my windshield cowls. I hit it with some alcohol so I can clean up all like the surface and everything. And I don't really gotta prep much because this trim black, bro, trust me. Got the bolt 1, bolt 2 in, bolt 3, that's not gonna work. But on Randy's throttle body, when his took a crap and he got it fixed, he just got 2 of these pretty much sealed up with some thread locker and tapped it with bigger bolts, but I didn't tap it. I'm just gonna put the 2 bigger, the 2 bolts with this hex head on it, and it should be good. So yeah, I wait for this to cure for like an hour so it can like really cure. That should be good. And then for the paint thing, this is how it came out so far. 2 coats. Oh, it's kind of trash there, but that's kind of trash all over. It looked better than before, so it is what it is. So, I'm bored. But yeah, so I'm waiting for the bolts to adhere to that thread locker. I'm just gonna wait like an hour, man, so it can be good. Wait an hour for that to cure up, and then I should be golden. If I was given $1 for every time somebody commented on my post, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram, bro, the car needs 16s. Don't you think I know that? I know. It does need 16s. I know that, fam. Hold on. But the 15s go hard, though, pimp. I mean, minus the brake dust, but it goes hard. I like the 15s. And yeah, they look small, though, but I like them. They look good. All right, so it's been about like an hour and a half, actually, and we're going to see if this bad boy is good to go. I'm just really scared. I mean, yo, look, you see how that one, I don't know. Man, I hope this thing stays still, bro. I really do. I don't want to have this issue anymore, but I got to rebuild this thing back in. I'm going to put it on without having to rebuild back. Yeah, and I'm going to take off this bracket, too. So I don't need this bracket right there. I just need that one. As you guys see, the one that's actually worn. So, yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. Everything in this bag needs to be assembled on this. So, you guys are going to try and watch me build this thing back. I'm pretty sure it's not going to happen. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. Together! That was good. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my God. So, after an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, I finally fixed my throttle body. It's finally back together. Bro, this spring stuff, right? Bro, this spring stuff, dog. This is not it, brother. This right here, not it whatsoever. But I think it's put together properly. I mean, it looks good. I mean, that look good to y'all? I hope so. If not, we'll find out. So, I'm gonna put the throttle body on, and hopefully these bolts don't vibrate loose. I hope to God they don't vibrate loose. I lock tight the out of these things, so I should be good. All right, let's do the. Let's do the real quick. Yeah, let's do the.
Find out nothing sweet about it. Look, mile like 3-6 pulled up, ski trip cold winter. All my eating good. I remember when we had no dinner. West side, east side, no side, both sides with me. Check.
It's been 5 minutes since I've been recording. It shouldn't take me that long, but when you're when you're unorganized as I am, it happens. It happens. I'm loving this quarantine time I have on my car because I just figured out a huge issue. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but on my throttle cable, do you guys see how, well, you guys really can't see. But this bolt was always like right up here at the top. And I'm like, bro, why does my gas pedal feel like it's not, you know, fully opening the butterfly flap? Come to find out, it wasn't. It really wasn't at all. I think I was having like 65, maybe 70% of throttle for the longest. I never knew, like, I just adjusted it and I have full throttle percentage. I hate explaining myself, but I'm gonna smile anyway. F the haters, bro. Woo, yeah. She's ready to go. See, she's ready to go. Cowl's all painted. It probably looks like crap on camera, but it is what it is. I gotta get some hardware for this, man. I gotta get some OEM stuff for that, so I can get that taken care of. But yeah, brake dust on the wheels, you know the vibes. Bro, my throttle response, like, my foot's on the gas, right? I'm gonna barely tap it. It's so responsive now. Dog, I've been losing so much power. Oh, it's raps. I was probably making like 215, 220 with that old throttle response. Now, boy, 235 by the weight this hoe up. That bitch about to be moving, bitch. That bitch about to be moving. Hey, bro, that bitch moving? Yeah, that bitch moving. That bitch moving. People in traffic like, yo, why is this guy talking to himself? I got the camera out. Could that bitch move? All right, I gotta go. All right, so I pulled up to Randy's house, and this is how his car looks with the full lip kit on. Oh my God, this thing looks so good, bro. Got the Mugen rear, with the Mugen sides, with the Mugen front. Yeah, you heard me. I'm saying moving, bro. This is literally perfection, bro. Perfection. Oh my God. The boys are back. We finna go on a cruise. The boys are back, bro. The boys are back. Yeah, buddy. Ready, bro. How I feel to have your car looking and driving beautiful. Know what I mean? Feels good, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Long time coming, dog. Huh. She need a wash. Shit always needs a wash. Shit got oil spray on the windows? Damn.
Wayne's stuff.
That shit look nice though.
Wayne's garbage.
Facts. If you're in PSL, don't ever go to Wayne's Auto Collision, bro. They did my dog dirty as hell, dog. On my life. Yeah, Affordables never did us wrong, bro. Facts.
No attitude.
Facts. Wayne's Auto Collision, trash. I wouldn't waste a damn. I wouldn't even, man. They did Randy dirty, dog. F that place. This is honestly a 10 out of 10 feeling, bro. Cruising with the homie, your brother, your best friend, your girl, whoever it may be. Cruising with the dogs, dog. This is such a good feeling. I love it. Like, my boy on the road, we driving doing pulls on a down this A1A type thing we have in my city. And it's amazing. It's so fun. So cool to have the homie back on the road, man. I know he's smiling and having the time of his life right now. Well, not time of his life, but he's in a good mood. That's what it's all about, bro. It's what cars are all about, baby. All about having a good time with the homies. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
We stopped at this little parking thing, A1A. Hey, that been moving, bro.
I've been moving, bro.
Randy said that been moving, y'all.
I've been moving.
That been moving. Damn, that lift, bro. Seen it, bro. Damn. That boy Randy, boy. Oh boy, God. You see the tag though? Official with it. Random. Damn, the boys are back. The boys are back. That might be the title of this video. Oh, I could use my video of like, oh, my RSX runs, my Integra runs great.
Bro, that's a good color.
I'm telling you, it is.
A1A, Jensen, right?
A1, this is 4 Piers now. We're in 4 Piers, A1A. God, look at these boys. Oh, look at these girls I met. Yeah, when you're a car dude, you got girls. When you're a car girl, you got boys. These are our girls right here. What's the name of, what, bro, you never named your car. That's why she be breaking on your ass. You need to give her a beautiful name. Like, alright. Randy's car name is Rexy. Rexy the RSX. Christina the ain't so crisp no more. That be beautiful, bro. That shit like that. Yeah.
My next build is teased.
You wanna get teased, bro? I'm telling you, bro. Tease the move. Back. Tease the move, young blood. Beautiful. It is beautiful. So we just got to Fred's house. Woo! I can't believe I'm so stoked for this. Fred, my boy, what's happening, whoa? What you doing there, bitch? Know what I mean?
Put the battery in the trunk.
That boy put the battery in the trunk, bitch. God damn. Hey Fred, that bitch gonna be moving tomorrow, bruh?
Hopefully, bro.
That bitch gonna be moving. That shit's so funny. Boy got the bonnet back on.
Fucking cut the bonnet, man.
Why you cut the bonnet?
Oh, right here, right?
Holy shit, just because it wasn't hit?
It was hidden. I remember we test fitted that one day.
I put all the shit out.
Yeah, damn.
That must have hurt.
No.
Fred don't give a crap.
It's already chopped, bro. I paid $150 for this.
Oh. Man. Oh,
Dang,
you
he got
got the cold air?
Ooh, he gotta get his money's worth, bro.
Oh man, I won't even trust that, bro.
Yeah, cold air. I'm scared of cold air now, bro. Know what I mean?
You gotta drill a hole for IAT. Or are you gonna delete it?
IAT, you can't delete the IAT, fool. The IAC he can delete, but not the IAT. He needs that. Car ain't gonna run it. He can't tune it without it.
On B series you can.
On B series you don't need it, but on K series you need it.
Oh, cool. It was like $10 on Rock Auto.
Where you get that from? Well, after those ribs, I went to sleep. What's up? Time to close out this video. I was supposed to do a daily upload yesterday, man. Today is the 26th. I was supposed to upload the 25th. But I got home late from cruising and hanging out with the Randy and Fred and yep. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. First and foremost, please smash my like button so it could be the only thing that's getting some cheeks in this quarantine time. Use discount code STAYHOME at zoshmfg.com for 20% off your entire order. So if you want the sunglasses, 20% off. You want a shirt, 20% off. You want a sticker, 20% off. Everything is 20% off. Just use discount code STAYHOME. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video, comment if you love me, and subscribe if I don't know. And you know, I need to pick up some merch so I can pick up some parts. Bro, so I got a letter in the mail yesterday saying that my license is gonna be suspended. I don't know why. I ain't doing anything. It's probably that ticket I paid late. I think that's what it is. Cause I didn't know I can pay it online. I should have realized I could have paid it online. They wanted me to mail my money, and I'm like, I don't trust that, bro. So I don't think my license is gonna be suspended. I hope not. That would suck.